You might not believe it, but this steel plate will soon become an excavator. In this video, I'll take you through the entire manufacturing process of an excavator. Of course, the story of an excavator doesn't start with assembly. Its origin is often just an ordinary steel plate in a factory. Before entering the production line, it has no identity. It is neither part of machinery nor equipment. It is merely a piece of industrial raw material. But right here, it will be given a new purpose. In the structural parts production area, the steel plate is lifted into the cutting station. Different components require different materials. The boom needs high-strength steel, the undercarriage structure demands better torsion resistance, and the arm focuses more on overall stability. These choices are not based on experience alone, but on long-term engineering application data and structural stress analysis. When the cutting machine starts, the high-energy laser moves along a preset path. The metal is instantly separated, sparks scattering quickly in the air. This is not just cutting, it is transforming a 2D steel plate into part of a future 3D structure. In industrial manufacturing, there is a basic principle: structural precision determines the stability of the entire machine. Therefore, the position of every hole, the angle of every edge, must be controlled within an extremely small margin of error. Because in future working conditions, these details will directly affect the assembly accuracy and operational performance of the whole machine. Once cutting is complete, the steel plate is no longer a single piece of material. It is divided into multiple structural units: boom side plates, base connectors, reinforcing plates. From this moment on, the shape of the machine is no longer imaginary, but gradually becoming real. But at this stage, it is still just parts. The true structure has yet to take shape. To sum up, what we've seen today is the first crucial step in excavator manufacturing, turning an ordinary steel plate into preliminary structural parts through precise cutting. These separated parts, though they have taken the initial form of the excavator, are still far from being ready for assembly. Join me next time as we witness how these raw structural parts are refined and shaped through machining, stepping closer to becoming a complete excavator. Don't miss it.